What's going on, guys? This is Riyad here, and this is the I don't know, maybe the part number 12 or something. But as I told you before, in this part we'll be making the config script. But first, we forgot to make the special attack, right? So let's make it now. Yeah. So it's very easy. First, if global.enemy power is greater or equals to power to special, yep, and landed, and what else, global dot player dot is hurting equals 0, and global dot player dot landed. Okay, so global dot enemy power minus power to special. Okay, then image index equals 0, sprite index equals special sprite. So, okay, now let's just copy this variable here, I mean this code here, and so change this to E, and E, and the same thing here, and let's copy this code. And make sure this is enemy E, and yeah, that's all. Now let's make the object. So let's create group here, enemy, and let's just duplicate these bad boys. Okay, okay, so now let's move to the config script. So no, not here. Yep, so scr enemy config. So first of all, let's say var max power, or now let's make this variable here, max power equals power to special. Okay, and yeah, so let's say if is hurting not equal to 0, then can move equals false, so the enemy can't move while it's hurting, else can move equals true. Okay, then if guard power is less or equals to 0, then can guard equals false, else can guard equals true. Very simple. Okay, so if not is guardian, so this is just to fix some issues, and sprite index equals block sprite, then sprite index equals stance sprite. So this just to fix some issues that may happen. And yeah, so if sprite index equals block sprite, then is guardian equals true, else is guardian equals false. But before that, let's do something here. So if distance to object global dot player is greater than 10 and not instance exists, obj bayonet, okay, and is guardian, then is guardian equals false. So we don't want the enemy to guard while he is too far from the player and there is no bayonet that may hit him. Okay, so yeah, that's all for the variables. Now let's move to the states. So if can move, then let's say if global dot enemy power is greater or equals to max power, okay, then if can choose, so as I told you, this variable will make the player able to choose a state. Then state equals special, okay, can choose equals false. Alright, and then else if distance to object global dot player is greater than 10 and not is guardian, then if can choose state equals choose search throw search, okay, can choose equals false and alarm 1 equals, let's say, room speed. So first we want the enemy to use his special attack if he have enough power. Then so if this variable is true, then the enemy can choose a state. Then once he's in the special state, then he can't choose any state, okay. Else if the distance to the player is greater than 10 and we are not the enemy isn't the guardian, then if he can't choose a move, then we made the player free to choose his own state. So he may go to the player or throw a bayonet, and alarm 1 basically is just a timer for this variable to be true again, so he can choose another move. So keep in mind that the lowest this variable is, the quick the enemy will be very quick, okay. I mean, it's not going to be quick on movement, or no, he will choose a state very quickly, okay. Then else if let me think, global dot player dot landed and global dot player dot is hurting not equals 2, and global dot player dot is attacking. No, actually not. Global dot player is attacking. So in this case, let's see the enemy. I mean the player, yeah, which is the enemy in this case. So if he's on the ground and he's not hurting and he's not attacking too, then let's say if can choose then oh wait, so here I forgot to put something, and state not equal special. Okay, so we don't want to break our special attack. Okay, state not equals special, then state equals attack. So if the player isn't attacking, the enemy will start attacking, and can choose equals false. Alarm 1 equals room speed. Else, let's copy that. And so in this case, the enemy, well, I mean the player is attacking. So let's say if we can guard and can guard. So if we can guard, let's just guard. So if can choose and state not equals special, then can choose equals false, well, false, and state equals guard. Also alarm 1 equals also room speed divided by let's say divided by 4. And what else? So in this case, let's copy the same condition, except that we can't guard this time. So if the player is attacking and we can't guard, then let's attack him too, and the winner will be the first to hit the other. Okay, and let's see, and what else? I think that's all. Now let's move to the switch state. So switch state. Okay, so case search break so search, attack, throw, what else, guard, and special. So if if sprite index not equals special sprite, then let's call the SCR enemy move to player. Okay, and for the attack, let's just call the script for the attack, and this script needs an argument which is the attack. Okay, and here just call the throw script, the same thing here. So this is guard, and let's call the special special attack. Okay, sweet. So let's say animation, and I believe that I did a mistake here. Yeah, so stand sprite with S, not double S. And now let's go to our parent here, enemy parent, and let's delete the script and call the config script config. Okay, but also let's add an alarm 1, and let's say can choose equals false. Oh, I mean true. And also max power equals power to special plus choose let's say 5, 10, 50 or 20, so or 25, yeah. So anyway, first when the game starts, we don't want the enemy or the player to have a maximum power, so let's say global dot player power minus equals 50, and let's do the same thing for the enemy. Okay, so yeah, and also let's go to our controller and let's make those variables increase. So what we're going to do is if global dot player power is less or equals to 100, actually it's less than 100, then global dot player power plus equals 0.2 if global player power is greater than 100. Whoa. Then global player power equals 100, and let's do the same thing for the enemy power, and yep. So let's see if we didn't make any mistake, and I don't think that. So let's see. Of course, max power, enemy config, and non-variable max power. Really? Init. Wait, didn't I paste it here? Wait. Oh. Whoa. No, that was weird. So let's add this variable in the enemy init, right? Whoa. Here. So well, something is really weird. Okay, so first we have this thing here, and so for some reasons go to our characters here. Oh yeah, so don't forget to add the mask for the enemies. Okay, so this one is Kakashi, so where is it? Stance. Niji. Oh, what I'm doing. The stairs and the last one. Okay. Then let's see what we have done. Whoa. Landed. Oh my god. Special landed. At first you can see that the enemy is kinda... Wait. Why is he repeating the same? Okay, so this is the special attack. So let's go to our controller here. Where is it? 0.2, 0.2. There is a mistake with the attack script, I'm sure. Whoa. Really? Yeah, and why the attack index is not changing? So let's go to our enemy animation and let's say let's attack. So just for testing purpose, let's do something like let's go to controller, draw text. So draw text 0 0 obj enemy dot enemy parent dot what was the variable state, no, attack string. And so let's say let's say about 100. Okay, good one. Yeah, exactly, the index is not special attack. So wait, oh wait, so I think, oh my god, yeah, of course. So I forget to add this. Oh my god. Animation, and now this should work properly. Okay. Yup. Exactly. Where is the air attack? Yes, as you can see, there is an air attack. Yup. So the enemy is trying to hit us, and as you see before, the enemy do his special attack too. Just come on, hit. Yup. Sweet. Yup, that's good. Very good. But first, okay, so if you attack, there is some, so go to your enemy multiplayer and let's say, so if the enemy moves, the attack will be 1. Okay, and let's say okay. Yep. Yeah. And as I told you before, if you want the enemy to be very quick to choose a state, then make the alarm like room speed divided by 2, or you know. So as you can see, the enemy is have some AI, but in the next tutorial we'll be adding some more codes to this. I mean, so we'll make the player take his damage, and yeah. So that was all for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.